Hello, today we'll be making units for Shogun 2 with the official mod tools. So, um, I'll put a link down in the description for this tool here. It just makes it easier. You go to mod and then you add, type in the name of whatever you want to call your mod, and then now we just launch. Now tools, open. Yes, we'll start with editing the unit table. Let's go down, units, call it whatever you want, but I find it easier just to keep something like this. Add record, paste, and you just want to change the names to this. Samurai, infantry, on-screen name, warrior, samurai. Category, for this you're gonna have to, just doing basic, but, should we do cavalry? Yeah, if you're gonna have horses you have to pick this option, and then pick, any of this stuff. Infantry elite, that's fine. How much it'll cost for multiplayer? Multiplayer category, cavalry. Creation, this is for campaign, this stuff. Let's see. I don't know exactly what this does. I think it's how many spaces they can move or some shit. Just put placeholder for this. I don't know exactly what it is, but and then you just pick something. This doesn't really matter unless you wanna. Yeah, you can make a description in the description text, which is there. You can make a description there for it if you want to. And then placeholder again. I don't know what this does. I don't think I'm added too much. Then how much of a cap they can use. I don't know what this is about. I think this is about how NPCs can use it early or later. It's false for that. Sword cavalry. If you see something with a without capital letters, I think just copy it. I think, yeah. And it'll auto, unless you're using pack file manager, you have to type in your own thing here, but with this you don't have to. And yeah, that's it for this add. Now we go to unit land stats, which is here, and we open add record. We go and find the unit you made, which was infantry, heavy warrior samurai. Now how many units you want on this? I'll say 100. Always put 0 for this unless you're making a mounted gun like one of these. So this will be what weapon the officer uses. So we'll give our officer hero okay, let's try something else. We'll do what should we do? Let's give him a revolver as well, so we can cover a little more things here. And this you always do test samurai or shogun samurai test. Man, let's see. combinations I think you have to do. I think you can use that. I think you can soon find out. I'm pretty sure what I'm doing is right. Okay, 10, 1. I don't. This doesn't do anything if you put like 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't really matter. They all die in one hit anyways. Oops, I'm forgetting mount. I think we just do this. Okay, and false for primary. Oops. I think that's right. We do normal stats for this stuff. Average, I mean. Oops, that's way too high. Okay. Can't remember if you use this or not. I don't think you do actually. Skeleton crew. I don't know. We'll find out if that's right or wrong later. Okay. 20, 15. Dismounted attack. Same. If you're not using a mounted unit, you just put 0 for here, for this type of stuff, you just leave it 0. I don't think anyone uses that. I don't know, I could be wrong. Let's see. If you're using a mounted unit, you do this. Use this option here. I'm pretty sure that's it. I don't think this matters too much. Who knows? I haven't noticed any difference between changing this around. But we'll just do elite just in case. Morale 20, ranked 4. For this, I do not know. I just do this for pretty much everything. 2, 3, 2. You can always change it up later. After you do this, you can use while you're doing this in the middle of it, when you do top this thing, it only does top and bottom. It doesn't actually match you up with other stuff, but after you apply this and go back into it and do that, it will match you up with other units around that with those same things, same crap. You just copy all this. This is the longest and most boring one once it gets around here. Always have this at 0. I think it crashes if you do anything else with it. For this, for now, I'm just going to do it really quick like this, but you can go down in the list and choose. I think most of the things here around unit is the typical one for this thing, but yeah, can't be stuff because it takes too long. piercing attacks. The only units I noticed with this was ninjas. I think it actually does make a difference in combat, like they kill units much faster. For this crap, I'll just do 2, 3. I know. Never mind, this doesn't matter. If you click yes on this, which most units, pretty much every unit can do, you just do something minimal like 0.6 and then 1.2, then 0.6 or 8 there. And bulletproof, I clicked yes on this and it did do nothing. They got shot down really fast still, so it's pretty useless. Now we hit apply. Now we're up to building units allowed, which is somewhere around here. Now add record. This will be for campaign, for where you're how you can use it. This is for BOS, stands for, I think, that's for all of the samurai stuff. This is for normal campaign, and this is for Rise of the Samurai. So we'll just be doing this normal Shogun Juilliard. Now you can do the multiple units, so when you do this, you do for the multiple units, so it can be able to recruit after you've upgraded it. But for now, we'll just doing it quick. So let's do this. Did I go past it? No. Samurai XP 2 conditions none. And this will be for what faction you can pick it for. So it can only be recruited from a certain faction, I think. Though I'm not 100% sure with that. Oh yeah, it's the unit I made here, though it doesn't look like I'm gonna have to kick it out at some point. Okay, anyways, apply. Now go CDR unit qualities here. Add. This will be for, I don't know, I just do default because I think it just selects everything then. What category? They are cavalry. Select unit. I don't know exactly what this is for, but yeah. I think it has to do with something how I don't know. How rare the NPCs use it for, that's it. That's what I was thinking of. Now we go down to we'll do uniforms last. So we'll come down to unit abilities here. Add record, and you can give them pretty much any abilities you want. Except for, I think, stand and fight will glitch with any unit that isn't a general. Like your game will crash after they use the ability. Well, that happens with me anyways. I'll just give them, for now, you can give them like Banzai. Oh, you have to make another row each time you give them an ability, but you can give them Banzai. Let's see. Rapid advance. Second winds down there, Warcry. We'll just give them Warcry for now. And apply it. Now, go to unit, exclusive, faction, permission. We add. This will make it the unit only be able to be used by this one clan. choose the clan you want. We'll do Hojo, whatever, and allow and apply. Now if you go down to this one, the last one, and now you put add record and then you add the unit, and now you pick Japan, it will make it so the unit's used by every clan. This unit can be used by every clan. But if you don't put this in, if you just leave this thing, only that one clan you picked before in here will be able to use it. Okay, now what? Am I missing something? Edit unit stats. I think that's everything pretty much. Oh no, uniform. Yep, the last thing. Uniforms. Now, with this, you just type in what you want your uniform to be called. So we'll do Samurai Warrior. Now this is for your display picture. So since I don't have anything, we'll just pick something at random. Where is it? We'll just pick this. Paste. Unit. I guess you could to do this really easy, instead of like scrolling through a list, you could just start your unit off with A and it would just be at the top of the list, which I'm gonna do next time. Now we just do this, always put stand, and if you're using a mount you do stand as well, and we'll just call it this, copy, paste. And the last thing we pick is Samurai and apply. That's everything from here. Now we just go down to tools and now unit editor. And we made that file for the outfit, so it'll be down here, empty, and now we just do this and we can add in whatever we want. Or already got stuff here it seems. Okay. These will be the different things we'll be wearing. Okay, that's kind of cool. Well, officer is usually always blank. Yep. So you can make him look very unique. Let's do this. Legs. Samurai? Nah, not samurai. Wait. Let's do these type of legs. Very samurai-ish. Let's do torso. Let's see, masks. What's that weird ass mask? No, not that one. Is that weird ass? Is that it? Yeah. I'm gonna be doing this now. Helmets. Normally, with most other arms, except for this one, I think, and maybe one other, you have to do hands as well. So they got hands, which is down here, and usually just put samurai hands. Let's see. Yep, that looks fine to me. Random mask looks completely different to anything else really, and that should be it. Actually, I wonder if the back stuff works. Oh yeah. I don't know if back things work because I've got this turned off here. I got a mod to change it so that this crap doesn't show up, so it probably isn't showing up here. Maybe some of these other things are there. Okay, save, and then yep, now you close it. This will always come up and just hit ignore. Now we open up launch Bob. And now we're going to select the files that we've edited. Yours might be a little bit faster than mine. My computer. Let's see. We did battle units allowed. We did see unit quality. Unit qualities. Now get down to uniforms. Unit stats land. Unit to unit abilities. Unit exclusive permissions, and units grouping military. Those are all things we edited. So now we're going to go in here, and you only have to do it with the first one and do that. And we'll do it for everything. Now we go down a little bit more and we go to text db, go all the way down. Now we choose this one as well, and there, voila, everything should be fine. Now we put start, exit, and now we do install. This won't come up for the first time you've done it, but okay, if you've already got a mod there. Now we do launch Shogun, and click that, yep, and launch. Your Shogun might load up faster than mine. If you got a solid state drive, you're lucky. I'm planning to get one and throw this on here because Shogun always takes forever for me to load up. Hopefully this video will be in good quality, since I have to use a converter, because Fraps is a piece of shit and makes huge ass files. If you have any questions on anything, if you didn't think I explained it well enough, well, yeah, probably haven't done it that well, but just feel free to comment in the video and I'll post a reply as soon as I can. Now let's see, what unit did we make it for? Hojo, right? Modify army. And here he is, there. This unit with his stats. Let's hopefully, oh, 0 range, okay, I must have fucked up somewhere. Yep. From the, okay, yeah, I did fuck up. Hopefully it works, we'll see. And clear. Move, let's see how well. That's my go-to field. Rice fields is my favorite. Pretty much do all my testing on this field. Okay, let's do this. Ah, there, see, custom unit. Okay, at least that turned out fine. Oh, he's even got the back item. See, everyone else doesn't have any back items. It doesn't look like it worked. Got the shotguns in the back. Crap. Yeah, and no range, okay. Let's hopefully their melee and shit is alright then. At least they can hop off horses. I don't know what I done wrong. Maybe don't do a range unit just yet. I've got other working range units, so Don't know what I've done wrong here. Okay. What's an ability maybe I'm missing? Speed this up a bit.
Our general is in grave danger, my lord!
Oh, the lag is pretty bad. That is not nice at all. Really bad. Oh, cut them down really. Oh, okay. Let's try something else. See how they fight on land.
My lord, their general has fallen! A cutting blow!
Okay, cool. Oh well, this will be the end of the video, I guess. If you have any questions or want another tutorial for something, this time I won't do ranged, or I will do ranged next time properly. So yeah.